Maytag Bravo's dryers not heating without displaying an error code is often due to a few common issues: a blown thermal fuse, a faulty heater element, or restricted airflow. The main problems are a blown thermal fuse, a faulty heater element, or restricted airflow. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing these problems. The thermal fuse is a safety device that prevents overheating. If it blows, usually around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, the dryer won't heat. First, disconnect the power from the dryer to ensure safety. Second, locate the fuse on the blower housing, typically at the back of the dryer. Third, use a multimeter set to continuity to test the fuse. Fourth, if there's no continuity, the fuse is blown and needs replacement. Replacements are generally inexpensive, around $20 to $50. If the thermal fuse tests fine, the heater element might be faulty. Start by disconnecting power from the dryer for safety. Next, access the heater element, which is usually located at the rear of the dryer. Use a multimeter to test the resistance of the heater element. Set the multimeter to measure ohms and check continuity. A normal heater element should show between 10 and 20 ohms of resistance. If there's no continuity, indicated by infinite resistance, the element is likely burned out and needs replacement. Corrosion on the element can also cause these failures, so inspect for any signs of wear or damage. Once you've identified a blown thermal fuse, replacement is straightforward. Start by disconnecting the dryer from power to ensure safety. Next, locate the thermal fuse, typically found near the heating element or on the blower housing. Carefully remove the old fuse using a screwdriver if needed. Install the new thermal fuse, making sure it's the correct type and rating for your Maytag Bravos model. Connect the wires securely, following the original wiring pattern. Reassemble the dryer by securing the back panel or access cover. Plug it back in and run a test cycle to verify the heating function works. Many users have found success with this fix, with an estimated 80% success rate among DIYers. Always consult your model's manual for specific instructions. Replacing the heater element follows similar safety steps as other dryer repairs. First, ensure the dryer is completely unplugged from the power source to prevent electrical hazards. Next, access the rear panel by removing the screws that secure it. Carefully pull the panel away to expose the internal components. Locate the heater element, which is typically a coiled wire assembly. Disconnect any wires attached to it and carefully remove the mounting hardware. Install the new heater element by mounting it securely and reconnecting all wires exactly as they were on the old element. Ensure connections are tight. Reassemble the dryer by replacing the rear panel and securing all screws. Make sure everything is properly aligned. Finally, plug the dryer back in and run a test cycle to confirm the heating element is working properly. YouTube channels like Repair Clinic provide detailed video tutorials with step-by-step guidance, helping viewers complete this repair successfully. Preventative maintenance is crucial for keeping your Maytag Bravos dryer running efficiently. Start by cleaning the lint trap after every single load to remove accumulated lint that can restrict airflow and cause overheating. Next, perform an annual deep cleaning of your entire venting system. This includes the vent hose, dryer duct, and outdoor exhaust vent. Regular maintenance prevents lint accumulation that reduces efficiency by 20 to 30% and stresses components like the heater element. Now let's cover common mistakes that can lead to dryer problems. First, neglecting airflow maintenance by skipping lint trap cleaning or vent inspections. Second, using incorrect or low-quality replacement parts that don't match Maytag specifications. Third, failing to always disconnect power before any repair work to avoid electric shock hazards. Experts from Fred's Appliance Academy recommend annual vent system cleaning, which can prevent costly repairs and save homeowners approximately $150 each year in maintenance and energy costs. If you're uncomfortable with electrical repairs, or if the dryer still isn't heating after replacing the thermal fuse and heater element, it's time to call a professional appliance technician. For gas dryers, always consult a professional to avoid the serious risk of carbon monoxide poisoning from improper repairs. Looking ahead, future dryers will feature AI-powered diagnostics that monitor performance and predict component failures before they cause problems. This technology could reduce no-heat issues by 30 to 40% by the year 2030, according to industry experts. Additionally, choosing energy-efficient models certified by programs like Energy Star can help prevent heating faults while saving on electricity costs.